Good afternoon. I am Rameshwari, TTWRJC Girls Narsapur at Medak district. Today topic, the age of Shatavahana. The age of Shatavahana beginning the historical period of Telangana, the stable and the stable rule and Andhra country, which includes the present state of Telangana. Andhra Pradesh ruled by many kings. Srimukha family was subordinated under Mauryans. Shatavahana rules beginning Deccan with the capital of Kotilingala. In Kotilingala, in the good number of coins that found the prehistorical period like Ranasamagopa, Gobhadra, Narana, Kamyavasri, etc. Also is the archaeological source. Kotilingala found many coins. Nustullapur, Karimnagar district in present. Present Kotilingala is the political activity Shatavahana kingdom. Sources. The age of Shatavahana history was known as from sources through coins, inscriptions and Puranas. Puranas like Matsya Vayu Purana, it tells about, it provides the long list of kings known as Andhra Bhrutyas. And Kalidasa Malavika Agnimitram Halas Gada Saptasabdi tells about the Shatavahana period. And coins, the Deccan region plateau, Kotilingala, which is the name of the Shatavahana, Srimukhas. The inscriptions were founded in the Buddhist caves like Nasik and Nanagarh, etc. The geographical area. The geographical area Shatavahana kingdoms includes Malwa, Kutch, Saurashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, southern plains of Gangetic Valley, up to Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. Look at this area occupied this Shatavahana dynasty. Political history. The political history of Shatavahana period was divided into two phases, the early Shatavahana and later Shatavahana. The early Shatavahana 271 BCE to 114 CE. Later Shatavahana 114 to 178 CE. Early Shatavahana's kings like Srimukha, Krishna, Shatakarni 1 and Shatakarni 2, Gautamaputra, Shatakarni, Pulamave. Let's come to the early Shatavahanas. The early Shatavahana rulers beginning Srimukha is the founder. Kingdom from unified Andhra principalities became its ruler in 271 BCE. He accepted the sovereignty of the Mauryans. He made the Kotilingala as the capital of. Later he shifted is the Pratishthanapura. Pratishthanapura now Maharashtra district in Aurangabad. Srimukha ruled around 23 years. And according to Nasik inscription, shows the figure of the coins found in Kotilingala. The Srimukha name was Chimukha. After Srimukha was succeeded by his younger brother Krishna. Krishna was succeeded by his brother Kanha, is known as Kanha. Around the period of time 248 BCE, around 18 years he was the first issued inscriptions. The coins are, the inscriptions refers to Nasik and Nanagarh. The Nasik caves Buddhist appointed Mahamatra in charge of the marks at Nasik. Nasik Kanha period is the cave. These are the Nasik caves. After he succeeded by Shatavahana 1. Shatavahana, the son of the Srimukhas, Shatavahana 1, he was a very famous ruler among the Shatavahana kings. he defeated Shakas and established power. The Magadha extended in boundaries from the Vindhya to up to river Gangetic in north. His titles Samudra Samrajyadipati and also Samrat. He conquered with the Malwa region under Mauryans. He also conquered so many areas also. He titles Dakshina Patadipati and Samrat. In Nasik, Nanagad inscriptions refers to Raya Srimukha Shatavahana Sirimato. He also performed the 2 Ashwamedha Yagas and 1 Rajasuya Yaga and other Vedic rituals. He gave so many lands and cows, elephant villages, land gifted to priest. After Shatakarni, 2 successors, the Purnosanga and Mahastambi, Skandasambhi. After Shatakarni 2, he was a great warrior, conquered also is the invisible army occupied Magadha and Kalinga, who succeeded contested sovereignty of Magadha. Is contemporary period Pushyamitra Shunga, Karavela and Demetrius and Bactrius. The Shatavahana 2 fight kings who are known as very much. After Shatakarni 2, 1 Pulamavi 1. Shatakarni 2 after Pulamavi 1. The Kanva powers in the kingdom is Susharma occupied is Magadha. Shaka and Pallava king Nahapana succeeded by Pulamavi. The notice is the Hatikumpa Shasanam తెలియజేస్తుంది. సాంచి అండ్ సాంచి విదేశ కళింగ అనే ప్రాంతాలని ఆక్యుపై చేసింది. ఆఫ్టర్ గౌతమిపుత్ర శాతకర్ణి. Gautamiputra Shatakarni is the Shatakarni family. He was the early Shatavahana's 23rd ruler. He succeeded by Nahapana, the king of the king, ruler of the Asmaka, Mulaka, Kukura and Kukura, Muraka, Aparanta, Aparaka, Avanti. He is called as the destroyer of the Kshahrata Vamsha family. He was the referred as protector of Varnashrama Dharma. He compared with the Puranic epic like heroes Rama, Arjuna and Bhima. This title is Eka Brahmana, Agamana Nilaya, Kshatriya Darpamana, Vinivartana Chaturvarna Sankarana, Nijakula Vardhana, Raja Raja. Gautamiputra Shatakarni victories are Nahapana, Shakas, Pallavas. Jogultambi inscription is 10,000 coins are founded. Gautamiputra passed away 86 CE. He succeeded by his the son Pulamavi II. Is also known as Vasishthaputra Pulamami, ruled 28 years. His inscription nearly refers to region is Malwa occupied. At the time Ujjaini is also Shaka's kingdom. He shifted capital the Pratishthanapura to Dhanyakataka. During this time rule is the Shatavahana started from end, early Shatavahana end. Later Shatavahana. Later Shatavahana is the known as Pulamavi II. He succeeded by Shivasri Shatakarni. He is ruling 114 years and around 11 years. He succeeded Shivaskanda Shatakarni. Rule is the 226 years. During the Shakas family, Rudradamana, Jayadamana occupied is the Malwa region. After Shivaskanda, after Yagnasri Shatakarni took power in the kingdom. He was the 29th king of the Shatakarni dynasty. He made coins for the 14 shipping image who include the foreign trade with the others. According to tradition, Acharya Nagarjuna is in his court. His books is written by in Sanskrit language. Books are Madhyamika Karika, Sruhulleka, Rasaratnakaram, Arogya Manjari. And he developed, Acharya Nagarjuna developed two philosophies, one of the Shunyavada and Madhyamika Vada. After Pulamavi, succeeded by the last ruler of Pulamavi IV, ruled Macedonis inscription without any extension of the kingdom. Other emerged in their place. There are three kingdoms. One of the Chatus and second is Ikshakula and Abhiras. The administration of Shatavahana. The king enjoyed supremacy authority of the throne was heredity. The polity is the Mauryan administration. Shatavahana kings always provide their administration through the tours and opinion of peoples. The king different administration people like Rajyamatyas, Mahamatras and Lekaka, Bandagami, Mahasenapati, so on. Rajyamatyas means advisory body of the king. Mahamatras in charge of the religious affairs. Bandagharika superintendent of stores. Mahasenapati commander of the forces. Lekaka officer of the register and documents. Shatavahana kingdom divided into Rashtas and Aharas. Rashtas belongs to royal blood. Aharas under control of the Amatyas. And Graman is village level under control of authority Gaulmika. And town level authority is Nigama Sabha and authority of the Shrenis. The provincial administration, some of the known as Shatavahana kingdom like Sopara, Broch, Paitan, Kotilingala, Karle, administration in Nigama Sabhas. Like Mauryan emperors undertook and enabled the kingdom known as the problems of the people. And next to economic condition. The economic condition of the prosperity of the Shatavahana kingdom depends on agriculture. Industry and commerce and occupied the important place. Rajya is a home land, Raja Gambela. And landlords and Gahapati is also the agriculture. Took agriculture. The state of collected about 1/6 revenue income. The recommendation of the coming from ancient laws like land trade and industry played as the important role Shatavahana period in the cities as Nasik and Karle, etc. The traders workers is like Tilapitakas is the means oil prisoners. Halikas is the cultivators. Kolika means is the weavers. Vasakara carpenters is the Shettis means merchants. These are called Shrenis. Is the every individual trade is accommodated, associated, called Shreni. Their own body promoted themselves. The association provided the banking facility to the people. The receiving cash deposits and endowments of lands as wish for donor and depositors. Ptolemy write a guide to geography. He explains is the mainly port to Shatavahana period precious, the might of the big towns and merchants. In Amaravati, inscription refers to Vijayapuri, Guduru, Dhanyakataka, Dhanyakataka in Telangana region, Pedabankuru, Kondapur and Kotilingala. Usually, Bullock cart is main transport. In Gada Saptasabdi refers to, says that so many main crops, Shamaka and Shalika, is means wari is a paddy, and jowar and cotton, sugarcane and mangoes and tamalapakulu. Tamalapakulu means the తమలపాకు తాంబూల సేవనంకు తీసుకుంటున్నారు. ద ఇరిగేషన్ సోర్సెస్ ఇస్ చెరువులు అండ్ లేక్స్. ఇస్ ద ఇరిగేషన్ ఆఫీసర్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ పానీయ గ్రాహక. ద మెయిన్ పోర్ట్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ట్రేడ్ పోర్ట్స్ వాజ్ seen western in Broach and Bhariyagaja and Sopara. Western port side is the Bhariyagaja, Sopara, and in Maharashtra, Gujarat side. Is the main transport is the cloth and trade, miscellaneous merchants, etc. Western side, eastern port side, Kantakashila, Tamraliti, Guduru. In Telangana, the main is Karshapanas is the one of the silver coin is that in that period. Swarnas is gold coins. In the also is the used protein, lead and copper. During the Shatavahana period, gold is very easily mint. The society is Gada Saptasadi and Amaravati sculptures. The social life of the Shatavahana period, we know that traditional caste is the Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Shudras. And according to the acceptance of these Shatavahana period, we will find the other caste four sections. These are according to profession. First, the officer of the central, like Mahasenapati, Mahabhoja, Maharathas. And also, second caste section, Amatyas and Mahapatras and Settis. Third, doctor, goldsmith and peasants. Fourth class, carpenter, weavers and blacksmith, so on. Usually, the society is the Shatavahana period joint family. The male is the dominant power over women. Is the all powers house of the called Gahapati. Women occupied is the honorable place in the society. Is the like Matru Sangyal Teesukovam. Like Gautamiputra Shatakarni, Yagnasri Shatakarni, వాళ్ళ తల్లి పేరును వాళ్ళ పేరుతో పాటుగా తీసుకుంటున్నారు. Used to play significant role in the cultural activities. According to the inscription Amaravati, the marriage with the foreigners also is the permitted. The Hindu society provided in the Shatavahana alliance with the Shakas. The Shatavahana society was the freely joyful attitude to the people, general kindness. When coming to ornament and dress, the Amaravati says the very twisted dressing. Every woman and men wear anklet for their legs. In the village people simply life, the urban people used particular participation in the activities like the dance and dice playing. Instruments like veena, mridanga, venu, etc. Religion, Brahmanism, Buddhism and Jainism in the Shatavahana period is mainly is the Brahmanism and Buddhism. According to Shatavahana's period inscriptions, like religious follows are the performing of the sacrificing of the yagas, vratas, so on. This is called the Neo Brahmanism is called Gautamiputra Shatakarni. In influence is the Aryan culture. Is a Mishrama Samskruti undi. Telangana during the Buddhism strong footpath in Telangana in Nelakondapalli, Panigiri, Nagarjunakonda and Peddabankuru is the Buddhist center, main Buddhist center. Telangana during the Shatavahana period, Vijaypuri, Nagarjunakonda, main Buddhist center is the period of Shatavahana and post Shatavahana period. The language. By the 3rd century BCE, Deccan influence in the Deccan familiar with the Brahmi script along with the Prakrit script. The official language is Prakrit. Some of the literature is worked in this period. Gunadia wrote Bruhat Gada in Paisachi local Paisachi Prakrit languages. Sharvavarma Katantra Vyakara in simple grammar in Sanskrit. Alas Gada Sadi in Prakrit language. The marriage of Hala called Leelavati Parinayam by Kutuhala. The most of the deeded literature personal in those Buddhist saints, Acharya Nagarjuna, is there so many books written by in Prakrit language, Prajna Paramitra, Rasaratnakaram, etc. Art and architecture. The Shatavahana period opened a chapter in the historical Deccan architecture, stupas, chaityas and paintings, sculpture. The Telangana, some of the stupas like Sanchi, the stupas like the around the dome, apex of shape, crown of the umbrella, slabs of marble shows the representation of the Jataka tells in sense from the life of Buddhas. Usually the Lord Buddha's life of the structure and imprinted white marble. Chaityas was the Buddhist temple for the meditation for the Buddhist monks. Viharas is the place where the Buddhist monks and nuns used to live. The stupas Panigiri, Ayaka pillars, which was the built using brick. Shatavahana also patronized painting of arts. The best example of the Ajanta caves. In Ajanta caves, 9th and 10th, painting is the intellectual creativity in that art in that time. 3rd century creating the illustration in depth. This is the model of the Ajanta caves. Thank you, student.